Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi guys, welcome to Cantonese Top Words. Today we are at Central looking at the Dragon Boat race. So behind me, you can see the race. Pa is the verb to row, so row a boat. Pa tang. That is so pa is the verb to row. Pa long zhao, to row a dragon boat. And dragon boat is long zhao. Dragon is long, zhao is boat. So 今日有爬龍舟賽事. Today there is a dragon boat competition. And the next word is 嘉年華, Carnival. So over there are a lot of booths. They are having a carnival with food trucks and artificial beach for the kids and a lot of shows. So people can enjoy this festival more. And the next word is 打鼓, to strike the drums. So maybe you can hear the drums, maybe not. So 打鼓, 鼓 is drums and 打 is to hit or to strike. So 打鼓. 爬龍舟要打鼓. People strike the drums when they row the dragon boat. 天馬公園 Theme Park. 天馬公園 Theme Park, and that is the government building, 政府大樓 Government General Building. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'm Olivia. See you next time. 下次見。